Hey everyone, welcome back. Let's finish up what I got at the retreat, okay? All the little goodies that people gave. All right, this one says Glenview Special Ed. Oh, that's pretty cool. It's like an old checkbook. I like it. I like it. It is from the 1900s, so it may not be all that old, but I like it. And then a skating treasure for you. Oh, an old calendar from 1958. And guess what's pretty good about that? That is the day I was born. That year, that day. So, yeah, I think this will be a keeper for me just in general. All right, let's see what else here. Here is some lace. I've seen this before. It's like plasticky lace. All kinds of like bias material. I think this all came from Virginia. I remember her going through some of her stuff. Alrighty, here is a goodie bag. This says this is from Carrie. I can see these little sequins are going to come off everywhere. So there's a doily, some laces, some tulle, and there's a piece of wood that's shaped like a leaf, a paper page, a little bird. These look like some matchbook things, yep, that she has made, and a little notebook. So thank you, Carrie. Appreciate it. All right, let's see here. I think this actually came from Pat too. Pat is one of those women that has tons of stuff and is very kind and shares. Not quite sure what kind of game that would have come out of. But here's more of those tickets. And here's some words. It looks like that she copied some words that she's done. And here's some kind of envelope. Let's see what's in here. Oh, okay. This is all kinds of things that she has cut out. Words and pictures and things for you to use for ephemera. And thank you very much, Pat, because that is one of my least favorite things to do is sit and cut things out like that. So I appreciate the time, effort, and energy that you put into that. And whoop, I feel some napkins. And I am trying to stuff all of these back in this one bag. So when I put this over here to the side, it doesn't go everywhere and cover up my poor little dog. Alrighty. So yep, then here's some napkins, Valentine's. Oh, shark. So thank you very much, Miss Pat. Appreciate it. And yet we're going to get to the bottom of this box in this video. I promise you. I remember seeing that bag, but I don't remember who it came from. Some word cards and some number cards. So thank you. Thank you. Here is a folder full of goodies. Let's see. All right. Some cards, like some CDs. Oh, some more playing cards. Love it, love it. This is actually the thing that I gave my inchies in. So it was one of those. Some hymnals. Some more pages. And then some pages out of Chinese. Some cookbooks I saw. So here's some more papers, shorthand, all kinds of paper. So I appreciate that, but again, not sure who to thank. You can hear my rings hitting this glass table, this glass board. Alrighty. I know this calendar was on our desk when we got there. And let's see, this cute little pouch held on with a safety pin and some ribbon. Really pretty bag. I really like that color. Looks like some Kleenex and some paper clips and just like, it's kind of like a little travel, get well kind of, keep you all together when you travel kind of kit. So thank you very much for that. Appreciate it, appreciate it. Not sure who this is from. Oh, cute little mini book. Some more, another card, another kind of card. Some fabric. This is from Mary. And so here's like a little mermaid card. So thank you, Mary. Appreciate it. Here is a bag that has been painted and glittered. And it has a little thing about work. This is lemon sugar scrub. Now how cool is that? Let's take this apart as much as I don't want to. Let's see what it is. Okay, some papers. What's the third one back there? Okay, some more lined papers. So thank you. Some like note pages and some more pages out of a notebook. So thank you, thank you. And I wish I knew who to thank. And I'm going to leave out the sugar scrub. That will be used this evening. And then here is a big old bag. This says this is from Dale. Dale has a channel here on YouTube as well. I'm not sure if she has an Etsy shop yet. I don't remember, to be honest with you. So let's see here. I feel like I might have to sneeze. Excuse me. So some tea, some old matchbooks. Looks like library cards, some envelopes, like these look like for CDs, some sticker numbers, some tickets, some cute little tags. I'm not sure how to get in this, so we're going to do the best we can. Some beautiful fabric right there. And then all kinds of fabric here. So thank you very much, Dale. I greatly appreciate it. All kinds of cool fabric. And even though I get tons of fabric samples, so much of mine is like upholstery stuff that I don't really always get some really cute stuff. So I do appreciate it greatly. And I can see the bottom of the box, everybody. These are some little clothespins. Some fish sail and swim on the Gulf at Biloxi this summer. I'm not quite sure. This is some Darlene stuff. I'm not sure where that came from, if it came from something loose. And this is the last thing. So let's see. This is from Terry. And I think this was a door prize that I picked up. Yep, that's what this was. This was a door prize that I picked up. And it has, if I can open this, this is like a traveler's notebook. And then she put together this little zipper bag with some little envelopes that she had done. So thank you very much. And that is the extent of my goodies. So you can see that when you go on one of these retreats, everyone is so generous and they share and they make things to share, and you can buy things and get things and give things. So if you have too much of something, so if you're ever interested in, you know, attending one of these, reach out to me. I know now of 3 that are in the Southeast, no doubt, but they're in different directions. We have one that's coming in North Carolina. I think it might still have room. The one in Scottsboro that I'm involved with, I think we're down to just a couple of people we're waiting to hear from. It's limited on the number that retreat house will hold. So, you know, let me know though. I've put people out there, you know, on my little mental waiting list, and believe it or not, like Miss Virginia, you know, she had a month's notice, but she was able to come to the one, you know, in Southern Alabama. So I appreciate it. And, you know, like I said, subscribe, let me hear from you if you want to participate or you want to know what's happening, and I'll be glad to share with you. So again, thank you very much for coming by. Please subscribe, give me that thumbs up, and by all means, behave yourselves. And I'll catch you all later. Bye.